Everyone, welcome back to Chirag tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to install and configure Neo4j and perform the CRUD operation. CRUD means create, read, update and delete. So step by step process, we'll go through that, and we are using the Ubuntu server for this demo 24.0 for LTS. If you are new to the Neo4j or Graph databases, don't worry. I will explain everything to you clearly from the scratch. So first, what is the Neo4j? So Neo4j is the graph database management system, unlikely traditional database like MySQL or PostgreSQL that store the data in tables and rows. So Neo4j store the data in the form of nodes and relationships, just like how real-world connections work. So next we'll go through the relationship between the how the entity are connected, like friends of purchase or work at. So this makes the perfect to the data and complex relations such as the social network, recommendation and fraud detection and knowledge graphs. So a graph database. So first question is that what is a graph database? So a graph database is a type of NoSQL databases that focus on the relationship connections between data rather than the storing data into the separate table. So now we're moving to the instead of writing the complex joined queries like SQL in Neo4j, we can simply match the pattern using the query language that is called Cypher. So now we can understand the how the Neo4j and graph databases are. Let's move on to the relationship between that. And now we are going to install and configure the process of the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS on Neo4j. So Neo4j is the so in this video we'll learn Neo4j installation on CRUD operation tutorial step by step process for the this and data management on the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So I'll go through the complete Neo4j tutorial for the beginners. 24.04 LTS servers we are using. So in this video we'll learn how to install, configure and perform the CRUD operation, create, read, update and delete in Neo Graph database step by step process on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS server. So in this video, we'll just cover the topic install Neo4j on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, configure, start and enable, access and perform the CRUD operation, and manage and verify the Neo4j service log. So we need the server Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and my server is running with the VMware workstation. There is a server Ubuntu 24.04 LTS, and I'm going to access this server with the SSH. So you can use any SSH tool. I'm directly using from the CMD. So SSH DPT at the rate 192.168.136.128. So this is the server IP. So while installing the Ubuntu, I have given the server IP and DP to the user. So admin at the rate 123 sudo su. So we have logged into Ubuntu database. Sorry, CD clear. So this is the my server. So first we'll go through the update and upgrade my server, initial server. So I'll write sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade -y. So update and upgrade is in process. So it will give you the uh, latest package of the server, Ubuntu server. So we have done this one. Now I'm going to install the repository, then update the system again. So these are the repository we need to install, or we have to update the source list. So that latest package will be installed into your system. So now this is done. Now I'm going to install sudo apt install neo4j -y. So I'm using the neo4j installation process is started. So this will install the latest stable version of the Neo4j after installation and enable and start the Neo4j services. So let it complete. So all the Neo4j is going to be installed here. So this is a simple way to install the Neo4j. You have to add the repositories before the installing the Neo4j. That will provide you the latest version of the Neo4j. So that's why we added the latest it's a repository, apt repository in the source list. So installation is done. Now going to the progress. So first I'll enable, then start, then we'll go through the status of the Neo4j. So the simple command is there sudo systemctl enable Neo4j. So let it complete. So done. Now I'm going to sudo systemctl enable Neo4j. So it will enable the service. So automatically when the system will boot, automatically Neo4j service will be start. For that we are using this. Now I'm going to start. Then let me check the status. So status is active and running. Here you can able to see active and running. Next we are going to access the Neo4j. Once Neo4j is installed, open your browser and access it using the server IP address and port 7474. I'm going to access that 192.168.136.128 colon 7474. But before opening this, we have to allow to access from the IP addresses. If I'll go through this, I'll get error, unable to connect. Then what I'll do, sudo nano /etc neo4j neo4j.config. Go to the configuration file and network connection configuration is there. Server default listening address, listen address. Okay. So 0.0.0.0. Control X, Y, and save. Now restart the service. Whenever you are changing any configuration file, you should restart your service. So this is done. Let me check the status. Yeah, active and running. IPA, IP address is this one. Okay. So this is open. So this is the default username is Neo4j will be the default username, and you have to promote the new password for the first login. So this is the latest version. We are not getting that. So now what we'll do, we have to provide the password. So default password will be the Neo4j only in the first time. When you click on the connect, so it will ask you the new password and repeat password. So I'm giving the new password admin@123 admin@123. So click on create password. So password is done. If you click on the database information, you can able to see Neo4j is there. Node level is no levels of the database, relationship type, no relations, and properties. There is nothing is there. You can disconnect your server from here. And I am using the 5.26 26.15 edition is community edition and databases DBS information system info you can go and there is a query list. So query list is there. So go back. So now configuration is done. If still you are not able to open with the IP address, then you have to provide your you have to allow the port number for that. Okay. So firewall, you can allow the port number. Now we can able to access the we can access through the cipher shell. So cipher shell, open this one. Up to this, we need edge. We connected with the browser. We can connect with the CLI also. So our password we need admin at the rate 123. So connected to the Neo4j using the Bolt protocol, version is 5.8. There is a protocol port is 7687. You can connect it with the server Neo4j. For any help, you can call and help, and you can type like this. For it will give you the help, rollback, begin, commit, connect, and disconnect. All the help you will get. If you want to exit from this console, then you have to call and exit. So again, I'm going to connect. Okay. Next, we're moving for the nodes and relationship. So create a person named Chirag and age is 35 and another person is Sanju and age 30. They are created A. A is the friend of B. So B with the B. This is the person B. So we can run this relation. Now come to the browser and refresh it. Go there. There is a one relation is there. Nodes. Click this one. Sanju. Chirag is a friend of Sanju. So you can able to see like this, or you can drag and you can manage. Okay. So you can see like this. Now for the CRUD operation, we have inserted data. We are reading the data. You can cipher shell. You can read and you can see the data. It will be looks like this. There is a two persons are there. There are Chirag and Sanju. Age is there and ready to start the consuming query after 36 millisecond and other things are there. So A each person. So there is a person named Chirag 35 and person Sanju and friends of each other. Okay. So you're getting this one. Now I will update the data. Previously my age is showing there is a 35. 35 is showing. Now what I'll do, I'll just update the Chirag and set the p dot age 36 on this. So age is 36 there. Now let me check with this list of the file. So here you can able to see 36. Previously it was showing it 35. So Chirag age 35. Now it is showing it 36 is there. So before deleting, let me come to this page. Here you can click and you can get all the details, ID and age and name. Click here. Okay, refresh. You have to refresh. So if you click on the Chirag, this is changed to 36. Okay. So if you want to download this one, then go to the there CSV, JSON and PNG and SVG. You can download as per your requirement. Table details you can get from here. Text just we are getting there. You can able to see like this, and code will be looks like this. All the details you will get here. Match query. So go to the graph. Now I'm going to delete the data. So delete the Sanju. So one deleted one relationship. Now come to this page. So only one node is there, Chirag. Okay. Then other is deleted. If you want to delete the Chirag also, you can delete. You can run this same query to browser also. So we have deleted. Nothing is there. Okay. We don't have any relationship nodes. Node is not there. Now run the same query, the create person a query on the browser. Go there. run this one, we click this. So we are getting this one. Okay. Now click to a person, we're getting the same. So Chirag is the friends of Sanju. So previously we are getting. So same process, you can run all the things on your browser also. It will show you the same thing, relationship. So all the things are done. Anything pending? That means configuration we have done and we have restarted. So environment we have used the operating system Ubuntu 24.04 LTS and database Neo4j Community Edition. Access method is the browser and CLI. We have access through the browser and CLI also. And that's it. We have successfully installed and configured Neo4j and performed the CRUD operation on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. If the video has helped you, don't forget to like, share, and comment. And subscribe to Chirag tutorial for the more technical video and database tutorial and learning content. See you in the next video. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.